Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to delete friends on Monopoly Go. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So here we are. As you can see, I'm currently here on Monopoly Go. Now as you can see, I'm currently rolling and playing the game as normal. Now to go ahead and actually delete friends on Monopoly Go, all you want to do is once you've got the game loaded through, you want to come down to the bottom right-hand corner and press onto the Friends icon. What this is going to do is load up the Friends and Family screen. And from here, you're going to see some tabs at the top. You can see we've got Add Friends, Timeline, and Leaderboard. Now from here, what you want to do is come up to the top and press onto the Leaderboard tab. Underneath, you're going to see Global, Local, and Friends. What you want to do is press onto Friends. So what you need to do from here is go ahead and choose the friend that you want to delete. So you can just scroll through the leaderboard, see all your friends, and choose whichever friend you want to delete. So let's go ahead and delete this person here at position number 6. To go ahead and delete your friend, all you need to do is simply press onto their name. What that's going to do is bring up a quick profile of your friend. As you can see, there's some information about them, what shield they're using, what token they've got, their reputation, and other information. Now on this window, you're going to see an orange button with 3 dots. What you want to do is give that a press, and once you've done that, you're going to see the Remove button pop up. So just go ahead and press on to Remove. It's going to say, do you want to remove this person as a friend? So to confirm, just press the red Remove button. And once you've done that, that's going to delete that person. As you can see, they're no longer showing up here at number 6. We've now got one of my other friends showing up. So that's basically how you can delete friends on Monopoly Go. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.